So guys, this is where I found the bird. I was sweeping my apartment, before I found this bird here. I found the bird somewhere here. I found the bird here. The bird fell down from up. From up, the bird fell down. So I decided to release the bird. I caught the bird and I released the bird. So I just want to show you this apartment. It's a new apartment. It's a new apartment, it's a new house. New apartment, new house here in Dakar, Senegal. So I'm sweeping, I'm doing cleanup. I'm sweeping the place. It's a new house. So I'm doing this, I'm sweeping. Okay, this is kitchen. In case I didn't tell you, this is kitchen. This is kitchen. And this is a room. It's a sitting room. Then this is another room. Another room. This one is self-contained. This is self-contained because it has its own toilet. Then this is staircase. This is a stairs lounge. The same thing applies to the first floor. This is the first floor. This is the kitchen. That's the kitchen. This is the sitting room, the living room. And that's the balcony. That's the balcony. The balcony. It's a nice house, a beautiful house.